Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix HDMI not working on LG TV. So if you have an LG TV and you discover that HDMI is not working, then let me show you how to fix this. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now what you need to do is you want to turn on your LG TV first. Let's say your LG TV is turned off. Now go ahead and turn on your LG TV. Now once your LG TV is turned on, you want to press the home button on the remote. Select settings. Now on the settings page, scroll down until you get to safety. Select it. Then type in your password. If you have not changed your LG TV password, you need to use 40, which is the default password. And if you have changed it, go ahead and type in your new password. Now, you should say lock system. Turn on lock system. Now, scroll down to where you say input block. Scroll down to HDMI 1, HDMI 2. If HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 are both set to on, that shows HDMI inputs are blocked on your TV. Now to turn it off, all you simply need to do is go ahead and press the OK button or press the right button or left button. This is going to fix HDMI not working on your LG. And after that, you can now go ahead and connect your HDMI. This is my HDMI. So you can now go ahead and connect this to any device that supports HDMI, whether your laptop or even your phone or your other LG or electronics that support HDMI. And that is it. So that is basically how to fix HDMI not working on LG. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.